Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Google One on PC if you want more cloud storage, backups or premium Google features. Signing up for the Google One is one of your computer is simple and only takes a few minutes. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your Google web browser. So over here, make sure you sign in with your Google account. If not, make sure to sign in and enter your email and your password and make sure to sign in. And after that, in the top there's an address bar typed on google.one and enter it. Over here, once you get into this Google One interface, in the top right corner, we can again find to this option for the sign up here. Once you click onto the sign up here, you'll automatically get into this interface, and you'll only get into this interface if you have already signed into your Google account firstly. And after that, over here you can find your monthly or annual current plan as well. And here you can simply choose offer that you want to, as I'm going to select one of this get discount over here under this premium, which is for the 2B here. And after that, you can simply continue it for the annually or monthly, continue it over here and select agree. Then you can choose your payment method, credit or debit card or the local payments option. And after that, you can confirm your payment, enter your payment detail as well. And after that, you can simply subscribe, and once done, your storage will be upgraded instantly. And that is it. This is how you can sign up on Google One on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.